How to stop Google Photos, backup on iPhone and Android. If you want to stop Google Photos from backing up your photos and videos, follow these simple steps. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Backup. Turn off the backup toggle at the top of the screen. Once the toggle is off, Google Photos will stop backing up your photos and videos. For the change to take effect immediately, close the Google Photos app and reopen it if needed. Backup will remain disabled until you turn it back on manually. Keep in mind that if you reinstall the Google Photos app or sign in on a new device, backup may be enabled again during setup. If that happens, simply follow the same steps to turn it off. That's it. You've successfully stopped Google Photos from backing up your photos and videos on your iPhone or Android device. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Google Photos tips, iPhone tutorials, Android guides, and troubleshooting videos.